Unit 3, Lesson 1, Our World. A. Read each category and look for the examples in the photographs. Then add 2 or 3 more examples for each category. 1. Wild animals, for example, tiger. 2. Birds, for example, crow. 3. Farm animals, for example, cow. 4. Habitats, for example, grazing land. B. Use the adjectives in the box to describe the photographs. Does your partner agree? Beautiful, dangerous, dry, hot, huge, large, small, useful, wet. Bears are dangerous. Bear, camel, jackal. Comparing things with adjectives. Number 1. England is colder than Iraq. 2. I'm quieter than my brother. 3. The dawn is more beautiful than the night. 4. The night is less beautiful than the dawn. 5. Tablets are more expensive than phones. How to form comparatives of adjectives. Number 1. Adjectives with 1 syllable, add er. For example, cold, colder. 2. Adjectives with 2 syllables, add er. For example, quiet, quieter. But if the second syllable is full, add more or less. For example, useful, more useful. Note, clever, gentle, friendly, quiet, and simple can be used with er or more or less. For example, cleverer or more clever. 3. Adjectives with more than 2 syllables, add more or less. For example, beautiful, less beautiful. Another way to compare things, not, as, plus adjective plus as. A bear is not as fast as a lion. 1. Complete the sentences with the verbs in the box. Bite, fly, grow, hunt, produce. A. A bat is not a bird, but it can blank like a bird. B. Owls blank and kill small animals at night. C. If you put your foot on a snake, it will blank you. D. Cows and goats blank milk. E. Elephants blank very big, but it takes many years. 2. Study the spelling rule and write the comparative forms of these adjectives. A. Wet. B. Thin. C. Sad. D. Long. E. Near. F. Noisy. Spelling rule. Final consonants. D, G, and T. Single consonants after single vowels are doubled when an ending is added. Example: big, bigger, biggest. But, clean, cleaner, cleanest. Between 2 brackets, because EA is not a single vowel. Remember, final Y usually changes to I. For example, dry, drier. 3. Write the comparative forms of these adjectives in the correct places in the table. Careful, cheap, dangerous, expensive, happy, interesting, tidy, ugly, quieter, more beautiful. 4. Write these sentences differently so that they mean the same thing. Example: an elephant is bigger than a giraffe. A giraffe is not as big as an elephant. A giraffe is smaller than an elephant. A. A bear is not as fast as a lion. B. In the desert, a camel is more useful than a horse. C. Cows are bigger than goats. 5. Study the language books below. Look at the questions and write your personal opinion. Superlative forms of adjectives. Add est or most. The rules for superlatives are the same as those for the comparatives. Adjective, comparative, superlative. Fast, faster, fastest. Useful, more useful, most useful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. A. What's the most useful farm animal? B. What's the most useful insect? C. What's the most beautiful place in Iraq? 6. Discuss the questions with your partner.